Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Daily Talking.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to your favorite English podcast. I'm Olivia.
And I am David. Olivia, I am so excited today.
Really? You seem very happy. Usually you are tired
Or hungry.
or complaining about your neighbors.
Not today. Today is a great day
Because
because the package has arrived.
the package? What package?
Remember last week, I told you I bought something amazing online.
Oh, no. David, please tell me you didn't buy that jacket.
I bought the jacket, and it is here. It is on the table.
David, we looked at that website together. I told you it looked fake.
Fake? No. It said 100% genuine leather, and it was only $20.
Exactly. $20 for a leather jacket? That is impossible.
Real leather is expensive. Olivia, you are just jealous. I am gonna look like a movie star, like Tom Cruise in Top Gun.
Tom Cruise? Oh boy. Okay, listeners, before David opens this amazing package, let's talk about our topic today.
Yes, today we are talking about online shopping.
We all do it. We buy clothes, food, electronics on the internet.
It is so convenient. You click a button and voila, it comes to your door.
Yes, but sometimes what you buy is not what you get.
That is called expectation versus reality.
Expectation, this is what you think will happen.
And reality, this is what actually happens.
David expects to look like Tom Cruise.
And the reality will be, I will look like Tom Cruise. Just wait.
Okay. Before we open the package, don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talking.
Yes, click the button, like the video. Now, drum roll, please. Okay, I am cutting the tape. Ooh, it is wrapped very tight.
Be careful, don't cut the jacket.
I am careful. Okay, opening the box.
The box is very small, David.
It is just folded. Leather is flexible.
Okay, take it out.
Here it is. The Cool Biker Jacket 3000.
David,
Let me unfold it.
hold it up. David, what is that?
It looks a little small.
A little small? David, that is a jacket for a cat.
It's not for a cat. Maybe it stretches.
Look at it. It is tiny. And is that leather?
It smells like old tires and plastic.
It is definitely not leather. And look at the color. The website said midnight black.
This looks gray or maybe dark purple?
It looks like a garbage bag, David.
Okay. It looks bad now, but maybe it looks good on me.
You cannot wear that. It is too small.
I can wear it. I ordered a medium. I am a medium.
David, don't do it. You will rip it.
No, I am going to try it on. Listeners, describe this moment.
David is trying to put his arm in the sleeve.
Okay, one arm is in.
It looks very tight, David.
Now the other arm. Oh, ow.
David, stop! You look like a sausage.
I can't move my arms.
You are stuck in the jacket.
It is a little tight.
A little? It is cutting off your circulation. Take it off.
I can't. I am trapped in the jacket. Help me.
Okay, hold still. I will pull. 1, 2, 3.
No.
Oops.
You ripped it.
I ripped it? You bought a jacket for a 5-year-old child.
My cool jacket. It is ruined.
Well, at least you are free now. You are not a sausage anymore.
Okay. I am sad. I am devastated.
Don't be sad. Let's turn this disaster into a lesson.
A lesson?
Yes, an English lesson. We used many good words just now. Let's teach them to our listeners.
Okay. I love teaching. It makes me forget my pain.
Great. First word, size. S-I-Z-E.
Size is how big or small something is. Small, medium, large, extra large.
David, what size did you order?
I ordered a medium, M.
But on this website, maybe medium is different.
Yes, it was an ant medium. Medium size for ants.
Exactly. Next word, fit. F-I-T.
To fit. This is a verb. It means the clothes are the correct size for your body.
For example, the jacket does not fit David.
The shoes fit me perfectly.
Exactly. If it fits, it's good. If it doesn't fit, you have a problem.
Like me?
Next word, tight. T-I-G-H-T.
Tight means too small. It squeezes you. It is uncomfortable.
Like the jacket, it was very tight on your arms.
Yes, I couldn't move. My jeans are sometimes tight after I eat too much pizza.
True. And the opposite of tight is loose.
Loose. This means too big. It hangs on your body.
Like if you wear a clown suit, it is loose.
Or if I wear your t-shirt, Olivia, it would be tight.
If I wear your t-shirt, it would be loose.
Next word, material.
Material is what the clothes are made of. Cotton, wool, silk.
Or leather. Real leather comes from animals.
My jacket was fake leather or plastic.
We also call it synthetic.
It sounded like a plastic bag when I moved. Crinkle, crinkle. So, David, let's analyze. Why did this happen?
I don't know. It was a scam.
Maybe, but did you check the description?
Description?
The text that tells you about the product.
I looked at the picture. The picture was cool.
You must read the description. Maybe it said miniature jacket or doll clothes.
Let me check my phone. Ah.
What?
In very small letters, at the bottom,
Yes?
it says, Note, Asian sizing. Please order 3 sizes up. Material, 10% leather, 90% hope.
90% hope?
Okay, maybe not hope, but it says PU leather. That is fake leather. And Asian sizing usually runs smaller than American or European sizing.
Exactly. You ordered a medium, but in that store, a medium is like an extra small here.
So it was my fault?
Partly. You didn't check the reviews.
Reviews? What other people say about the product?
Did you read the comments?
No, I just saw the stars. It had 5 stars.
David, sometimes fake websites buy fake reviews.
Really? People lie on the internet?
Yes, shocking, right? If you see a review that says, very good item, best quality, wow, it might be a bot.
A bot? A robot?
Yes, always look for photos from real customers.
Next time, I will read everything. I promise. Okay, the jacket is ripped. It is tiny. It smells bad. What can I do?
You can try to return it.
Return. R-E-T-U-R-N. To send it back to the seller.
And ask for a refund.
Refund. R-E-F-U-N-D. This means I get my money back.
Yes, I want a refund. This is a very useful phrase.
Okay, I will email them. Dear sir, your jacket is garbage. I want a refund.
Be polite, David. Say, the item does not fit. It is not as described.
Not as described. That is a good phrase. But David, where is the seller located? Let me check. Oh,
Where?
it says the warehouse is in a very far country.
So you have to pay for shipping.
Shipping. The cost to send the box.
How much is shipping to that country?
Probably $30?
And how much was the jacket?
$20.
So you will lose $10 if you return it.
That is terrible math.
It is not worth it. You are stuck with the jacket.
Stuck with it. It means I have to keep it. I cannot get rid of it.
Yes, you wasted $20.
It was a waste of money. Another good phrase.
But you learned a lesson.
The lesson is expensive. So, listeners, do not be like me.
When you shop online, follow these rules.
Rule 1. Read the description.
Rule 2. Check the size chart. Measure yourself.
Rule 3. Read the reviews. Look for real photos.
Rule 4. If it is too cheap, it's probably fake.
Yes, a $20 leather jacket is a fantasy.
So, David, what will you do with the tiny jacket?
I have an idea.
Oh no.
My neighbor's dog, the noisy one.
The big dog?
No, the other neighbor has a small dog, a chihuahua.
You are going to give the jacket to a dog?
Yes, he will be the coolest dog in the building. Biker dog.
That's actually a cute idea.
See, I am a genius.
Sure, David. Sure.
Okay, everyone. Thank you for listening to my tragedy.
We hope you learned some useful shopping vocabulary. Size, fit, tight, loose, refund.
Please tell us in the comments, have you ever had an online shopping fail?
Did you buy a dress that looked like a potato sack? Or shoes for a giant?
Tell us. We want to laugh with you.
Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talking. New episodes every week.
And check our website. We sell real merchandise, t-shirts that actually fit.
Yes, good quality. Not like David's jacket.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. Happy shopping.
But be careful. Bye-bye.